Hello students, standard 5th to discuss different types of food components for nutrients. Before today discuss carbohydrates, proteins and vitamins. But today discuss different types of nutrients, minerals. Minerals keep our body healthy and fit. They strengthen the bones and muscles and maintain the normal functioning of our body. Iron, calcium, iodine, and phosphorus are some important minerals needed by our body. Green leaf vegetables, fruits, milks, eggs, and salts are rich sources of minerals. Lack of minerals in our body may cause disease. For example, lack of iron in our body causes a disease called anemia. Lack of iodine causes goiter. Different types of minerals to protect from different types of disease. Vitamins and minerals are called protective foods. Vitamins and minerals are protective food because they protect our body from various disease. Lack of iodine cause goiter. So vitamins and minerals are called protective food. Next, nutrients, roughage and water. Along with these 5 nutrients, for body also need adequate amount of roughage and water. Roughage are the fiber present in our body, our food. They help us get rid of undigested food. Some sources of roughage are whole grains, green vegetables and fruits. Water is an important component of our body to do different types of activity and functioning for body. Water is necessary for body to maintain digestive system, to maintain temperature of the body. Water is an important component of our body. Almost 2/3 of our body is made up of water. Water helps us in removing our body wastage through sweat and urine. It helps in temperature regulations also. Thus we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. You have to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. So water is necessary. Next topic is balanced diet. Balanced diet. A diet that contains the right proportions of different nutrients, roughage and water needed for the healthy functioning of our body is called balanced diet. Taking different types of nutrients through the food components. So balanced diet is a taking nutrients, different types of nutrients in a fixed proportion and fixed ratio. So all nutrients, roughage and water is necessary for the healthy functioning. So balanced diet is fulfill our body nutrients. For convenience and healthy eating, the foods of balanced diet are divided into 4 groups. Cereals group. These groups contains foods like rice, chapati and bread, which are rich in carbohydrates and minerals. Next topic to discuss, vegetable and fruit group. It contains fruits and vegetables which are rich in minerals, vitamins, roughage and carbohydrates. Next group, milk group. It contains milk, cheese and curd which are rich in proteins, fats and minerals, especially calcium. Protein groups. It contains food like meat, fish, eggs, beans, nuts and peas which are rich in proteins and fats. So this is a protein group. We should eat a lot of fruits and vegetables and lesser amount of fatty food. Always remember to eat food from all food groups every day. So balanced diet is necessary, preserving nutrients of food. Only eating right amount of all foods is not enough for our health. Food should be properly washed, cooked and stored so that its nutritional value is not lost. Proper way to wash vegetables and cooked food items. Fruits and vegetables eaten raw should be washed properly to make them free from dust and chemicals. Next, food should be cooked with care so that its nutrients are not lost. Overcoming destroys the nutrients of food. Raw and cooked food should be stored properly, otherwise they get spoiled due to germs. Food can be stored in refrigerators for few days and in deep freezer for several weeks. Other method of preservation of food: dehydration, canning, salting, sweetening, pickling and adding preservatives. Thank you children very much.